Oh hey, look, it's the GMMK Pro with a bunch of linear switches on them. I'm going to give you the tour. This is Gateron switches. These are the KS3. These are 23 cents a switch. These are widely regarded as like the best linears. These are the Gateron Black Inks version 2. These are 64 cents a switch. You can buy all these in stock. Unlike some switches, these are the Gateron Yellow Inks version 2, and this is a recolor of the black inks made by Omnitype. They're expensive, they're $1 switch. I'm crazy, but I just so happen like pink and gray is my favorite color combination, so I don't care. I think they're pretty. And then these are the JWK Snow Whites. Different manufacturer than Gateron, a little bit different, but they're considered a really good version. There are differences here, but I'm not going to get into it because it doesn't matter because it depends on what they sound like. So, stock, lube, stock, lube, stock, lube, stocked and lubed. We'll go through real quick and we'll do the Snow Whites last. I just want to remind you that these are 23 cents. And these are 67 cents. One actually sounds lower. They're just very different sounding. Same price, 67 cents for the yellow ones. Stock, stock. This one actually, you can hear the stock, you can hear the spring pain. It goes spraying a little bit. Again, here are the recolors of the black inks. But this is the lowest sounding one. Some people think lowest is good. I don't know if that's necessarily the case. And then finally, last but not least, these are the Snow Whites stock and lubed. It's just a different sound. I actually do like the way it sounds. It's totally different than the Gateron switches. Again, this is the most neutral, deepest one. If you wanted a quieter board and not kill your roommates or your loved ones, this is the deepest sounding one. 23 cents, 64 cents, 64 cents, $1, stupid, 67 cents. I mean, generally I'd use any of them, but these are my favorite, deepest sounding ones. I like the sound of the Snow Whites because they have a cool sound to it. It's just different. I like the way these look. These ones are whatever, they're good, but I like these ones better. But really, you can buy 4 of these for 1 of those, or 3 of these for 1 of these. These are pretty freaking good. The Gateron caps will be close to some of them, but these will be deeper. I'm positive. Okay, bye.